Hello guys, Nurzi here. So we all know about how powerful the new 200 megapixel camera sensor will be on the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra from all these rumors and leaks. And now we're pretty much sure of that after we had a look at the first real life photos captured with the unreleased Galaxy S23 Ultra. And we saw the big difference in details and clarity. Today we've got yet another much better quality photos taken with the 200 megapixel and the S22 Ultra's 108 megapixel and Pixel 7 Pro's 50 megapixel camera sensor for comparison. According to Ice Universe, on the Chinese social media network Weibo, these photos appear to have been captured using primary cameras, after which they were manually zoomed in and cropped for a closer look at the details. Although the photos captured with the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Pixel 7 Pro look good on their own, they almost look washed out next to the Galaxy S23 Ultra sample shot. The latter shows many more details on the pumpkin, maintaining many more of the imperfections that makes this pumpkin unique. Keep in mind that the phone is not out yet, which means it's running pre-release firmware. The camera software may get even better before the phone hits the shelves early next year. Again, according to the leaker Ice Universe, the S23 Ultra sensor won't just be ridiculously high resolution, but will also have better performance in some key areas, delivering the biggest improvement in Samsung flagships in years. Specifically, the improvements could translate into better low-light photography and videography results. As we saw in these photos, in the darker areas, clearly we can see more details on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So what do you think about these early results of the unreleased phone? Tell me your opinion in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.